flourish, it seems like, in cold weather. The frost at night does not kill them. Frost at night will kill other flowers. But these are sold in late fall, and they do really, really well. It's been down to like, I don't know, 29 degrees at night, and they seem to do really good. Oh my gosh. Hey, Midwest Picker here. So I'm outdoors today. I've been talking all week to Mrs. Midwest. I'm going to start doing some landscaping this week. Pruning back the dead stuff, taking care of stuff. So I want to make this quick video before I talk about reselling in the second half of the video. So what I have here is a mum plant. If you guys aren't familiar, I'm in Michigan, so it's really cold. It's 42 degrees right now. These mum plants, they flourish, it seems like, in cold weather. The frost at night does not kill them. Frost at night will kill other flowers. But these are sold in late fall, and they do really, really well. It's been down to like, I don't know, 29 degrees at night, and they seem to do really good. Oh my gosh. Well, you're not going to believe this. What in the name of Neptune are you doing out here? How did you got dirt on your nose? Is that how you got out here? Why are you out here? No, you can't help me with the flowers. You don't have hands. What if the neighbors see you? I could go to jail. Now you get your butt back in that eBay office right now. Okay, it's a figure of speech. I know you don't have I want you to march right back in that house. Take off that jacket. Okay, I know you don't have legs. I'm gonna have to carry you. I'm gonna go to jail one of these days. Don't ever pull this again just because you want to help with flowers. My pulse is 100 right now. All right, so you're grounded for 2 weeks. I don't care if the house is on fire, you're grounded for 2 weeks. That means you can't leave. You can't leave this office for 2 weeks. That's what grounding means. So I don't care if you have an earthquake, house is on fire, you're grounded. There's no more of this shenanigans and buffoonery. Oh my gosh. My pulse is 100. Did you see that on the pulse oximeter? 100. Hey everybody, my name's Dave. Welcome to my channel. I'm a full-time RN, full-time husband, father, part-time YouTube content creator, part-time reseller. I make these videos to be humorous and educational, to help people that are new to reselling, not just eBay. It could be any platform. Amazon, Mercari, Posh, Etsy. It could be local pickup, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist. I help you guys learn what sells and how to source. I also have how-to videos linked down below, how to ship and how to list and how to research and how to determine what platform. And that's what this video is about. I was thinking maybe I should expand my horizons and maybe cross-list on other platforms. I do list on Mercari, and I do list every once in a while on Craigslist, but I noticed these statistics lately. The top 10 retailers, or online retailers I should say, Target has now broke the top 10, and they are up into the top 10. Everybody seems to be growing. eBay has slipped to number 3. So number 1, of course, is Amazon, which they'll probably get a lawsuit in the future for being a monopoly. Who knows? eBay was number 2, but Walmart is now number 2. eBay has slipped to number 3. These numbers could flip around. eBay could go back to number 2. Who knows? Just because you're number 3 doesn't mean you're a failure. I mean, I would love to be number 3. I'd be a billionaire. It's not that bad of a deal. But the competition is nipping at the heels of eBay. So I thought, well, if Walmart's number 2, maybe I should consider cross-posting and listing on Walmart. I know you can sell on Walmart, so I wanted to talk about that today as a possible option. Walmart has a program called Walmart Marketplace. I'll put some pictures up here. I looked into this and I thought, yeah, it sounds similar to Amazon, so I'm going to look into the rules and see what they require and see if it's an option for me. Well, I discovered it's a lot different. Walmart is looking for professional sellers, basically businesses, manufacturers to partner with Walmart and sell their items on Walmart's website, but not exactly like eBay. Poshmark, Mercari, they don't want anything to do with businesses. They just want ordinary people like you and I to sell on there. That's why Mercari has these weird rules like multiples. Like if you have 50 of an item and you list one and you say 50 available, they get all weird about that. They don't like that. They don't want the image of a business. They want it to be ordinary people selling ordinary stuff. Kind of like Posh and Etsy. eBay is a combination of both business and ordinary people. Well, this Walmart marketplace, I think is focusing heavily on business, not ordinary people like me. So some of the requirements for the Walmart marketplace, you have to have a U.S. tax ID, a Form W-9, competitive pricing, which is a red flag, a B2C warehouse, a GTIN UPC GS1 company with a prefix number. I don't even know what that is. I didn't even look it up. I didn't Google it because holy cow, that ain't me. Now Walmart has a 5-step approval process. You have to be approved to sell your stuff on their marketplace, which will show on their website right alongside their items too, which I thought was a little weird. So even if you were going to do this, you should have something very specific, unusual, a widget that you manufacture in a factory that Walmart doesn't have. That might work. I would not want to compete with Walmart and sell, I don't know, something like Halloween costumes or whatever, because they sell those too. So if you're going to do this, you would definitely want to have a unique item that they don't already have. So the 5-step approval process, first you have to apply and be approved. Then you have to sign a contract. Then there's a registration process. There's an onboarding program. And then you have to request a launch. So basically, this is not just like eBay. This is very business oriented. I'm not saying you can't do this, but if you just want to sell vintage collectibles, or you have a comic book collection you want to get rid of, I don't think Walmart Marketplace is the place for you. You should stick to eBay. Posh, Etsy, Mercari is a really good one. I've had good luck. I had a coin on eBay that sat there for 5 months. I put it on Mercari. It sold in 5 hours. So it all depends on what you're selling. Every platform is a little different. eBay is the biggest. They have business, like I said, and ordinary people. It's kind of the Wild West of reselling. So that's my advice to you guys. If you're just an ordinary person like me, you're not incorporated, you're not an LLC that manufactures an item, and you want to sell something unique, if you are that person, you might want to look into Walmart Marketplace. But if you're selling on eBay, you're selling on Poshmark, you want to cross-post and expand your sales, my advice, Walmart Marketplace is not for us. Not yet anyways. Now they are still number 2. Things can change. They could expand and have like a eBay type platform. You never know. Just keep going back and checking. Watch your e-commerce news and see. Amazon has what they have. I don't know that they're going to change or add auctions. But Walmart is always creeping into every area of selling, whether it's online, brick and mortar. So who knows? There could be a type of eBay on Walmart in our future. But for right now, I'm going to give this a no. It's not for me. If you want to look into it, go to, just Google Walmart Marketplace and check the requirements. My guess is it's not. So that's the video, guys. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you'll get notified when I go live every Sunday night, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I go live for an hour and I upload new videos. This one's like an educational video. It's kind of a rare one. I'll be doing a what sold on eBay video probably in the next few days. Q4 sales are cranking for me. I am selling really good. You can follow me on Instagram. Go to MidwestPicker.com and that'll link to my Instagram. No, he's a little embarrassed, so he doesn't want to talk. Yeah, I don't blame you. So that's it, guys. We'll see you next time. They seem to do really good in the cold weather. Jiminy crickets. Great balls of fire. Holy mackerel. Don't kill me.